Finding the right multi-process welder can be a real headache, especially if you need versatility without breaking the bank. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Yes Welder 160A MIG Welder. Let's kick things off with the Yes Welder 160A MIG Welder, priced at $179.99. What really caught my eye was its 4-in-1 functionality. If you're looking for a machine that can handle multiple welding processes, this is worth a serious look. This welder does it all: MIG, flux core, stick, and even lift TIG welding, though you'll need to buy a separate torch for TIG. With a strong 160A output and dual voltage, 110 volt/220 volt, it's perfect for automotive, construction, and DIY jobs. This smart control feature means you can get the right settings for different thicknesses without a ton of tweaking, which is awesome for beginners. Plus, its LED display makes it easier to keep track of everything while you're working. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You want a welder that adapts to your needs and doesn't leave you guessing. If you're working on various projects, knowing this machine is compatible with common wire sizes just simplifies your life. Now, I have to be honest, some users mentioned that the assembly instructions are a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, the machine performs exceptionally well, and the features make up for the initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a hobbyist looking to expand your skills without spending a fortune. But if you need a heavy-duty machine for industrial use, you might want to look elsewhere. For the price, this welder offers fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a complete package with accessories included.
Product number 2. Best MIG 145A 4-in-1 multi-process welder. We have the Best MIG 145A 4-in-1 multi-process welder, retailing at $149.99. Honestly, the complete package was really impressive to me, especially since it comes with a welding helmet and gloves. If you're starting out and want everything you need in one box, this is a fantastic choice. This welder supports dual voltage and handles gas and gasless MIG, stick, and lifts TIG welding. With a maximum output of 145A, it can handle stainless steel and mild steel up to 3 millimeters. The synergistic design makes it super user-friendly. When you change wire diameters, the machine automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, which is such a relief for newcomers. And let's talk about the HD large LCD display. You can see all your settings clearly even in bright light, making adjustments easier while you're working. This matters for you because you want to focus on the weld, not fiddling with dials. Now, some people have pointed out that the included accessories could be of better quality, especially the helmet. But here's the thing, for the price point, you're getting a fully functional welder and decent gloves, which is a great start for beginners. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into welding and want a great starter kit. However, if you're a professional looking for advanced features, you may want to look at higher-end models. Overall, it's a fantastic deal for what you're getting. Now, if the helmet issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with high-end features. Product number 3. Yes Welder 165A MIG Welder. We have the Yes Welder 165A MIG Welder, priced at $189.99. Honestly, I liked how this model offers a slightly higher amperage while still being user-friendly. If you want to step up from the previous models while maintaining ease of use, this one's worth checking out. This welder also boasts a 4-in-1 capability, handling gas MIG, flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding. The 165A output is robust enough for a variety of welding jobs, and the dual voltage means you can use it wherever you need, whether at home or on site. Plus, it has a detachable torch that makes it super easy to maintain and set up. This is great because less hassle means you can focus on your projects. Here's why this matters. The synergistic make feature automatically adjusts parameters for you, making it easier to get consistent results. You want reliability, especially when working on projects that matter.
Now, a downside I found was that it's a bit heavier than the other two, at 25.7 pounds. Some users might find that a bit cumbersome for transport, but honestly, once you start using it, the performance makes up for the weight. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate welder looking for efficiency and quality. But if portability is a major concern for you, this might not be your first choice. For the capabilities it offers, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a compelling option, but the next one is for those who want even more versatility.
Product number 4, Yes Welder 205A MIG Welder, coming in at $339.99. This machine really surprised me with its 5-in-1 functionality. If you want the ultimate flexibility in welding processes, this is definitely something to consider. This welder can handle gas MIG, flux core, spool gun aluminum MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding. With 200A output, it can tackle both thin and thick materials, making it suitable for all sorts of projects, from automotive repairs to heavier fabrication. The advanced digital display is a nice touch as it gives you real-time feedback while you work, which is essential for achieving quality results. Here's why this matters. If you're working on diverse projects, the ability to switch seamlessly between different welding methods can save you time and frustration. You want to know you're capable of handling any task thrown your way. That said, some users have noted that it can be a bit tricky to set up initially, especially for those new to welding. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced welder looking for versatility in one machine. On the other hand, if you're just starting out and feel overwhelmed, you might want something simpler. For the range of capabilities, you're getting great value here. Now, if the complexity of that one was a concern, this next product simplifies things while offering fantastic performance. Product number 5, PUWU Plasma Cutter Welder Combo, priced at $348. I'll be real with you, the idea of a 5-in-1 welder and plasma cutter combo caught my attention right away. If you're looking for a machine that can do it all, this is one to watch. This unit supports MIG, flux core MIG, HF TIG, stick welding, and plasma cutting. It can cut through materials up to ½ an inch thick, which is impressive. The ability to switch between welding and cutting means you won't need separate machines cluttering your workspace, which is a huge plus for efficiency. What matters here is the convenience of having a multifunction tool. When you're deep into a project, the last thing you want is to waste time switching tools or dealing with multiple setups. However, some users mentioned that the plasma cutter could be a bit finicky with different materials. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the versatility it offers is unmatched, especially for DIY projects and repairs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile tool that can handle multiple tasks without needing a workshop full of equipment. But if you're only focused on one type of welding, you might find this to be overkill. For what it offers, it's a solid investment for any serious hobbyist or professional. Now that we've gone through all 5 options, let's wrap things up with some final thoughts. So we've explored 5 of the best multi-process welders available today. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Yes Welder 205A MIG Welder because of its versatility and performance across different welding types. However, I would avoid the PUWU Plasma Cutter combo if you're looking for something straightforward, as it might complicate things more than necessary. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.